Hello, Frank.
Hi guys, how are you? Thank you very much. It's a very important time. I'm Frank Sha. I'm very happy to have this chance to introduce our very important and newly developed, our sophisticated new product for you. Yes, it is our newly developed water leakage sensor. I think you bought some water leakage sensor before. This is our old model. Sensor body and with a line go out. This is a round eye. Okay, you need to extend it by this cable and this head to fix some place to detect water. Okay, this is one old version and this is another version we supply. It's you put it on the table to detect the water on the ground, or you use this clip, this base to extend with the wire to extend the extension, also a round cable to extend it. Okay, so we are thinking what kind of new leak sensor we can develop to combine more functions together, because when you mount this one, okay, it is only can with this wire to detect some place, some point, and this one the cost is more higher because with the base, the sensor cable and the round body. This is some old version. Okay, let me introduce you our new model. Just so simple, this one. Okay. You see it is like a shoe, right? This is not the final case. It's a prototype, but I'm very urgently to show you by this chance. Yes, you see, no sensor pin. Okay, let me show you to open it by this slide. Slide this so you can open it. This is a sensor pin. You can see this is a sensor pin. It's here. 4 pins. So you can just put on the ground. Put it on the ground. So this sensor pin will detect water. You see, because my hand is wet, a little bit nervous to detect the water. Okay, so it will sound and also give me your mobile, Cassie. Yes. It will alarm. 你已经连好了，对不对？对，对接好的。刚才有没有信号？It will alarm. Yes， 是这个啊，是哪一个？这个吗？This is the UI. Okay, like this. Okay. Another. When it is detected. 这个声音有点不大对。Okay, so it's a signal come out for water alarming. Okay, and in the app you can now it's go back to normal, and there is a record about the water sensing at what time, what minute to see it is flooded, what time it go back to normal, and there is a smart icon. This smart icon, this is for you to set up automation condition. So you can press this add, it will come out. So you can set up when you detect water, so drive the other device to activate. Like when it is detect water, 水阀拿一个给我。It can activate our smart valve. 刚才联动没做吧？没有。但是对接也在这手指上面。Okay. So for example, let me add the condition when auto leakage sensor flooding alarm. So it will run the device, our smart Wi-Fi valve to on, off, save. 现在是开还是关？现在是关，现在打开。Next and save. start and use it. Okay, now the automation is set up. Once it is set up, so this smart sensor is automated with our smart valve. Now the smart valve is open. It is open. Okay, so when we detect the water, 拿个水过来，水杯。刚才没有设置好吗？ So it is working. It is closing because the app detected water leakage. So our valve is closing. You see, it's closing. This is automation. Use our water leakage to automate our valve to close. Okay. But you will see this is a very simple function because the smart items can be linked together to work together. It's very simple. So what else new for your smart sensor? So let me show you more functions of our water sensor. You look for this structure design. Okay. Now when we put on the ground, the 4 foot will detect water. But how about I turn it back, turn it up, put on your window? What will happen? Maybe it will rain. Maybe it will rain. Okay, it's raining. It's raining. So it sends signal to your mobile to tell you, okay, outside it's raining. So we can, yes, it's alarmed. So under this condition, so it will activate your window closer, smart window closer, your window motor or your curtain to close. So this is the second function I think we combine inside together. Because this structure we designed is absolutely waterproof. IP67, absolutely waterproof. So you can put inside water, no any problem. So we can put outside on your window side, so to detect the raining. Once detect the raining, so it will activate your other device to operate automatically. What else new? This is second function. But I think because you see these items, they have the cable to go out to detect, but this is ugly, not easy to mount. So we are thinking. We have a patent item. This is our soup flat cable. Our soup flat cable, what is the patent? The patent is very flat. You can stick it on the wall, on the desk, on inclined surface, any surface you can put it on. So firstly, this cable, we use this cable we're selling a lot to the world because we have the patent. We use it for LED lighting, for speaker, for low current cable connection. Now let's show you. Do you remember this slide plastic? This piece, we put our cable, I peel off this peel off paper, and this is sticky. Stick it on the bottom plate. Stick it, and then we put it back. Okay, put it back and follow the symbol here. Push to close. Okay, this push to close. Do you remember the 4 feet? The 4 feet is sharp. It is sharp, so it can penetrate the cable easily. When you close this one, the two core cable is penetrated by the 4 pins in the device. Okay, now you are able to extend the signal, and please cut for me. You want any length you want. This length is fixed. This length is fixed. Now this, our cable attached any meter you want. 5 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter. Okay, just tell me what length you need, and we cut it. Cut it at your required length. Now it's okay. Okay, this is our new cable, new leak sensor with new cable, and Okay, when you touch the end, it will alarm. It will alarm. Yes, it's alarming. It's alarming. So, yeah, yes, okay, it's okay. So I show you how to mount it. How to mount it. How to use this cable. 那个水桶拿过来。Because you can stick it any surface. It's very easy for you to mount. 我会拿的，就放这儿。Any place you can mount it. Okay. So how to use it? For example, some place not easy to put this device. I need to use this cable to detect water. For example, when there is a can. 这个桶是叫 can 吗？我也不知道，是吧？ Okay, you want to detect control the water level. Okay, not with water or without water. I want to let the water at my required water level. Okay, so peel it off. Do you see? Do you see the cable? This is our very nice super flat cable. And now you can. This is just an example, okay? In fact, you can put any water tank you want and put. Let me stick on the can. Bucket, okay. Stick in the bucket inside. Okay, you see? I already stick it on the bucket inside the surface. Okay, now I okay, I want to control the water level by my device. Okay, I'm pouring. Okay, this can be controlled together. 现在是打开的，对不对？ And this valve is open now. It's in automation mode with our water sensor. Now let me.
把手机也可以拿过来。
要不够高。Okay, it's detect water. Okay, the mobile is alarming. The mobile is alarming, and the valve is turning, is closing. Hear the sound? Yes. Yes. Exactly. It's closing. Okay. It's closed. So the water is stopped. Water is stopped. It's stopped at your required water level. Yeah, this is a function. How is it? Do you think it's fantastic? Maybe some people will say, this is too simple, looks not so formal, and maybe it will be covered by something. Maybe it will be covered by something. Maybe it will be not good for mounting the end. The end is not good. Okay, don't worry. We have another piece. This is our super flat connector end connector. This one with a 3M sticker adhesive, you can stick it on the place you want, and you can, yes, put the end by this one. There is penetrate pins, okay? This is also we designed for our super flat cable. I penetrate it and mount it. Okay, so I peel off this 3M adhesive. Okay, let me mount it again. 水不够了啊，水还有一点。Now, okay, the water touched. The water touched. So it's working. Okay. It will not always alarm, because after alarm by mobile, by the sound, by the light, so by the automation. Okay, I cannot take it off. Stick too strongly. Now this is complete. The end, the super flat cable, the water sensor. Okay, so this is at least 3 functions together. 3 in 1 high-end water sensor, water leak sensor. Okay, so How do you think about it? If you like it, but no discount, because this is a very new item. But if you are the first one to buy it, you are the first one to represent it in your market, you will get rich. You will get rich, okay? This is a good chance to promote, to sell, to represent this product, to sell it in your market, okay? Contact us. Press follow us and contact us for more information. We will, our guys will send you the quotation and the support, technical support to you. Okay? So, yeah, no more question. It's okay? If you have any question, just contact our guys by type your questions. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Some people, some customer like it. It's good. Okay, what's the next? 下一个. Okay, this is my job. I already finished my job. That's all for me today. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention.